Everybody gonna be like, why should I even trust Ray? Well, here's why. Right in front of you, that's 63K in the last 90 days. And that's not even the full 90 days, mind you. So let's jump into it. Now, when it comes to ads, a lot of people think that ads are just an easy walk in the park where, you know what I'm saying, we'll hop in, we'll run ads, and they'll make money. No, that's not how it works. Ads are a very intricate thing. If you want to make money off ads, if you want to be profitable on ads, you need good content, no doubt. You're competing with thousands of other brands running ads that have better content. If you think that you could just go in the park, take a picture of some clothes on the ground and run some ads to it, it'll do well long term. It might sometimes, but no. And if you're sitting here being like, "Oh, ads aren't for me, they don't work." Have you even sat down and looked at the metrics? Do you even know how to read the metrics on the ad account? The CPMs, the CPCs, the CTRs, it tells you every single thing. Now, this video, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to educate everybody on what a winning creative is and how to actually win with ads and profit. Because main thing I see a lot of brand owners doing, bro, they just run absolutely dog shit content on Meta and expect it to work. And then they cry, "Oh, I'm not making money." Well, no fucking shit, you're not making money because the content's not meant for ads. What might do well organically might not do well on ads. Sometimes if you have a good organic post that did well on Instagram and you run an ad to it, it'll do good. Sometimes it won't. But main thing about ads is you need to have the right content to put into ads. You can't just dump everything into ads and expect it to work. This is not boohoo land. Get out of that delusional headset. The main thing is you got to be a very critical thinker and you got to sit down and really analyze the metrics in order for you to do well. If you can't even do that, what are you doing? If ads aren't working for you, have you ever even sat down and read the metrics? If not, then and you're blaming, "Oh, ads aren't working." You gotta check yourself. You gotta sit down, really learn what this shit is. Cause at the end of the day, even if you're hiring a team to work for you, you still have to be able to read the metrics so you kind of understand what's going on in your business. Cause at the end of the day, of course, the goal is working on the business, not in the business. However, it's good to know certain things before you hire a team or hire anyone else. Even if you're doing it yourself and you're like, "Oh, I'm stuck," bro, wake up. Wake the fuck up. Everything is right in front of you. What are you doing? So let's jump into the actual share screen where I'm going to kind of walk you guys through the metrics. And after that, I will show you how to make winning ads and how to actually be profitable. Hold your nuts because I'm about to be spitting a lot of game and I'm going to be dropping a lot. So like, comment, show me some love in the comments, man. I checked 70% of y'all motherfuckers ain't even sub, bro. 70% of y'all ain't even sub. Make sure you sub. So let's jump straight into it, guys. All right, cool. So let's jump inside this ad account right here. As y'all can see, we spent 11.6K to make them 47,000, which is pretty nice, pretty good. Now, let's hop into the main thing. I told y'all earlier, CPMs, cost per first 1,000 impressions. This is how much it costs you to show it to 1,000 people. Now, for example, this video right here, it costs us 13.72 to show it to 1,000 people. This video right here, it costs us 10 bucks, 9 bucks. Now, what is a good CPM, you might ask? Good CPM is under 15 bucks. Anything higher than 15 bucks, if it's sitting at 20, $30, that means people do not want to see your content or it's just not good enough for Meta. That means you're competing with thousands of other brand owners with better content, and if people aren't engaging with it, they just don't want to see it, bro. Meta's gonna rank it as dog shit. It's gonna go all the way down, and your CPMs are gonna be sitting at 20, 30 bucks. You'll be spending 20 to $30 to show it to other people. Now that's the main thing. So if you're a brand owner, and if you're a brand owner currently running ads and your CPMs are currently sitting at 15, 20, 25, anything higher, no shit, your ads aren't doing well. Next, CPC, cost per click. Cost per click is basically how much it costs you to get a click. Very simple. It speaks for itself. Now, if your CPCs are above 50 cents, horrible. Sometimes I hop on ad accounts, I'll analyze with my team and I'll go through them and I'll see CPCs that are sitting at $1. I'll see CPMs at $20. It just tells me everything I need to know. That means the content's not up to date. It's not the website, it's not the SMS, it's not the email. It's just content needs to be better, bro. You're competing with thousands of other people. If you have an ego where you think that, "Oh, my content's the best, it looks good to me," bro, you're not gonna prosper. Like it's not gonna do too hot for you. You feel me? So you want to make sure your CPMs are under 15 bucks. Now, when it comes to CPC, same thing. How much is it costing you to get a click? If you're paying $1 per click, that's crazy. You want to have your CPM sitting at under 50 cents. So right here, if you check this ad account, 26 cents, 25 cents, 19 cents. Amazing CPCs. These are beautiful. That's the main thing. CTR too. If your CTRs are sitting at 1 to 2%, that means click-through rate. So if it's sitting at 1, 2%, nothing higher, people aren't clicking it. So you're spending more money and you're getting less visits. That's the main thing. If you have good content, your content is kind of like a gateway to getting more people onto your website, right? If your content's horrible, you'll get less visits and you'll spend more. If your content is great, you'll get more visits, spend less, and make more. It's that simple. So now I'm gonna walk you guys through the winning creatives we use and the formula we use for a lot of our clients to help them reach six figures and up, bro. This is a six-figure brand right here. They just started with me pretty much a month ago, and now they're on track to do six figures, safe to say. So let's sit down. Let's talk more on the formula for winning creatives. Really, I want you guys to pay attention to this because this is what's going to change your lives on Meta, man. It's life changing. It can change in a month, man. So sit down, really pay attention to it and focus. All right, cool. I just hopped into their Google Drive. I'm not going to play the music behind the video for copyright reasons, but let's just get straight into it. So hopping in, first 3 seconds of the video, you get text that just pops up and locks the customer in essentially. So offer. First 3 seconds, you want to focus on the offer. You see right here, the offer. That's the main thing. Something enticing, FOMO, fear of missing out. You know what I'm saying? Some type of discount, some type of bundle, whatever it might be, you got to focus on some type of offer you could put in it. Next, quick cut videos. I feel like this video could have been cut a little bit quicker, so I would recommend them cutting it a little bit more and making faster cuts. However, these ads did do well when we did launch them, so no doubt. And even models too, right? Like showcase the models properly. Like for example, people want to see other people wearing it. So right here, you look at it again. Same formula. First 3 seconds, hop in, catch the customer's attention with some type of offer, some type of enticing type deal, man. That's literally it. I can't stress that enough. People just think I'm gonna just cut up a video, put it up, and it's gonna do well. Bro, you competing against some of the biggest people in ads, and you think, you know what I'm saying, your video is gonna do better than, for example, Nike that's pushing out offers every single day, Adidas, H&M. A lot of these bigger brands, they go based off offers. When you're in the next bracket in terms of scaling, when you're scaling to seven figures, you start understanding, oh shit, okay. It's also about the creative and the offer inside the creative. Now, I'll showcase you guys these other videos. You could feel free to pause this video, go through them, kind of understand it a little bit more, replay it, whatever you want to do. I'll showcase it. Then I'm going to talk more in terms of details on what to do when you hop in to make it creative. As y'all can see, quick cut, offer at the start, boom. Simple, straight to the point, and it's making them money. Same thing. Different variations. Now, what I would say, you don't have to copy the exact same text. Test out different variations. What I would say is like 3 to 4 different variations in terms of text, whatever it might be. Test those out. That's probably going to do way better. So jumping into the actual ads and creating them, right? I'm going to walk you guys through some more details on them now. Now, when it comes to making your winning ad, right? Number one thing, you want to make sure your content is high quality. So if it looks like it's 720p, 480p, if the quality is dog shit, it's going to do horrible. So please keep in mind, content quality matters. It has to be high, at least 1080p, 4K, whatever you want to do. Make sure the content quality is high. Next, when it comes to the actual, you know what I'm saying, recording of the content, pick a nice spot. You know, pick a nice spot, pick some good models, even your friends. People want to see other people wearing the stuff. If you could pick out some attractive people, works. Even if you have influencers in it too, cool. But good location, good models, showcase the product properly in the video too. Some people fail to showcase the product. They might point out the offer, but they won't even showcase the product. So what's the point? So first 3 seconds, you got to reel them in, right? So in those first 3 seconds, put that offer in, or even 4 to 5 seconds, don't matter. Showcase your offer. What I mean by offer, I've said this countless times and I cannot stress it enough. Something that will entice people to click the ad and go onto the website to complete their user journey. Simple. So maybe fear of missing out, maybe, you know what I'm saying, up to 20% off, up to 30% off, buy one, get one free, buy two, get one free, bundles, whatever you want to push out, you got to showcase that to the customer. Imagine yourself in the customer's shoes and you're scrolling through your phone, you see an ad. Are you going to click on the shitty ad? Put yourself in the customer's shoes and look at your ads and be like, would I click on this ad personally? What would make me click? So that's the thing. Now, one thing I would also say, towards the end of videos, you should also put a CTA, because sometimes people watch till the end. Put a CTA. So shop now, click link below, whatever it might be. Videos wise, 12 to 15 seconds. Quick cuts, 4K, 1080p, whatever it might be, and good offer. That's all it takes to do well on Meta right now in this current moment from what I've seen. Some clients do well without the offers, of course, but that also depends on, you know what I'm saying, how big they are, how many influencers they have. That's a whole different entity. You can never compare your brand to other brands. You can never have the ego of saying, "Oh, I have the best content, I have the best product." That's what causes you to go downhill when you have an ego. The best lesson I learned in terms of even just leveling up as a person, kill the ego. At the end of the day, the ego is what's going to drive you all the way to the ground. Have no ego, be a student of the game, and literally sit down and just focus on doing better for yourself and learning and improving every single day. If all you can do is just sit down, blame other people, blame this, blame that, not even look at the main problem, you are the problem. So be more open, sit down, really analyze your funnel in terms of ads. What type of content are you creating? What type of funnel do you have for yourself to push your brand out on ads or even your team? A lot of people I've seen, even with other ad teams too, right? I have a lot of friends in the game. The clients will blame the ad team when the ads aren't doing well. When at the end of the day, CPMs are high as shit, CTRs are, you know what I'm saying, low. They're paying $1 to $2 like they're getting results like $1 to $2 per click. Can't blame the team. You got to sit down. You really got to dial down into your content and your offer, bro. Because at the end of the day, anyone can run ads. Anyone can do the website, SMS, email. Of course, quality matters, but you really have to dial it down and think about: am I doing my part right? Am I posting organically? Am I making sure that my content's up to par with the market? Because it's a competition, bro. There's a lot of sharks in here. Are you a shark or are you a little fish? It's that simple. That's how ads is. It's a whole market. You're competing against every single motherfucker that's running ads that wants to make money. You want to get a high ROAS, you want to be profitable on ads, you got to do what you got to have what it takes. You got to do what you got to do. Grind, make the content, make sure it's up to date, make sure the CPMs are low as shit, make sure your CTRs are skyrocketing and people are clicking your ads. It's all about clicks. That's what I try to tell people, bro. I can't stress it enough. It's all about clicks. If you can get the most clicks out of your ad, you'll be paying the least amount of money. You'll be making the most. It's that simple. Ads are not, oh, I spend money, I make this money. No. Ads are a gateway to send them to your website. Your website does the part with conversion rate optimization. If you haven't done that, you could watch my other video, or I'll be posting a lot of heat. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, comment down if you have winning ads already, or if you have any advice for other people, if you've done well on Meta, or if you're currently struggling, ask questions. One thing I've seen, 70% of people aren't subs, so make sure you sub. Number two, questions. Bro, I'm putting this game out for a reason. I'm helping for free. I'm not selling a course. I'm not selling a mentorship. So take the free game while it lasts. So comment down what you want to learn, what you want me to help you with. I'll sit down, I'll make the videos, I'll grind it out. I do this from the kindness of my heart. I help people because guess what? Nobody helped me when I was trying to get up. Nobody taught me this shit. I sat down, I had to figure this shit out myself. Sleepless nights, grind every single day. Come on now. So main thing is, guys, make sure your creatives are up to date. They're on track to fucking go crazy. Just make sure, please, put the work in, bro. That's all it takes. Just don't lack, put the work in, wake up. That's literally it, bro. Wake the fuck up.